The importance of notice to mariner and its use in correcting nautical chart and publication. Notice to mariner are important for safety navigation because they provide mariners with the latest information on change to nautical chart and aids to navigation. Why are NTMS important? NTMS important because for safety, NTMS contains information on navigational warnings, change to diff and obstructions. This information helps mariners avoid hazard and keep their ships safe. For accuracy, it ensures mariners have the most up-to-date and accurate data for navigation. For reliability, NTMS are issued regularly by many countries including the United Kingdom Hydrographic Office. NTM only contain information which is vitally important to safety at sea. A reprint of radio navigational warning refers to a document that republishes the text of previously issued navigational warning. Because via radio navigational containing important about hazard at sea, like new obstruction, change to aids to navigational or dangerous areas which mariners need to be aware of for safety navigation. So dapat jud ang important sa mariners kay para ma-safety ang navigation. And next, the Admiralty Sailing Direction is a series of publications that provide navigational information for ships. Included information on navigational hazard, voyage, philotog regulation, general notes on countries, port and forward facilities, seasonal, current, ice and climatic conditions, and high-quality diagrams and photography. The characteristic of light and fog signals together with the equivalent foreign language light description to help bridge crew with identification also contain a number of fleet floating marks including ponton lights, resilience, and buoyant beacons. Radio signal helping bridge crew to manage. So mo help helping bridge. Mo help sa crew sa pag-manage sa communication and comply with all reporting regulation throughout a voyage. Each volume of Admiralty radio signals is also available as one of 3 digital publications as within Admiralty Digital Radio Signal as part of ADP package. Each ADRS application offers greater efficiency, faster updating, and more flexible information assist. That's the importance.